Hello everyone, Edward here with this week's Tech Tip. Today we're going to be talking about organizing your server room and the importance that plays in your business. Joining us today via Teams is Dylan Ading to help us better understand what you need to do to organize and maintain your server room. Hey Dylan, what are some of the important factors we need to consider when organizing our server room?
Hey Edward, thanks. And this is a great question. Many businesses don't take the time to organize or properly set up a server room when it's first installed, and this only hurts them in the long run. The first step in organizing your server room is to plan out what your current needs are and how they can expand in the future. By doing this, by doing this in the short term, you're actually saving yourself time, effort, and money in the long run. Some factors that you have to take into consideration is how big is your network going to be? Uh, how big is your server room going to be? Um, what's the temperature like in the server room? Is it too hot, too cold? Um, what's the humidity like? Is there a lot of dust or other natural elements that could be growing in the room?
Right.
Is there carpet? Just other things like that. All of these factors can risk shortening the lifespan of your equipment and the protection of your data. Another important thing you should take into consideration when setting up a server room or a closet is having proper racking and shelving for your equipment. Having the right racks and shelves can help your equipment last longer, so you get so you get a better lifespan out of your equipment. These will also help keep your network and server equipment secure and off of the floor in case of a natural disaster, such as a flood or earthquake. Shelving and racks help keep your equipment secure, organized, spaced properly, and out of harm's reach. It also uh, it also helps prevent the spread of dust and other substances from growing on the servers and causing hardware issues down in the future. Another key factor is to organize your cable. Laying out the cables so they're not crossed or in a spaghetti mess
Right.
as we like to call it, leads to quicker troubleshooting and repair if necessary. iTechra recommends that you have your network runs from offices and other parts of buildings terminate into a patch panel into the network or server room. Then, from the patch panel, use the 3 or 6-inch Ethernet cable to connect to the switch. We also like to color code our network cables so that way we can quickly identify what type of connection we're working on. So, for example, I personally like to use blue for APs and orange for internet connection uplinks. There's other um, there's other ways you could do it. That's just my personal preference. We also like to make Visio diagrams of our customers' networks so that we can quickly identify or quickly review and identify hardware in a rack.
Right.
This leads to faster troubleshooting resolutions and saves businesses time and money. While doing these little things in the short term may seem tedious or time consuming, in the long run, they'll really help the business and you save time and money. Thanks, Edward.
Hey, thank you, Dylan. Have a great day. Talk to you soon. Dylan brings up a lot of great points and important factors to consider when setting up and organizing your server room. If you're interested in hearing more, please reach out to us. We're always happy to help. This is Edward with iTechra. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great week, and if you have not done so already, please like, share, and subscribe.